The Kawasaki Z125 Pro is a compact and powerful motorcycle designed for riders looking for a fun and nimble bike. In this video, we dive deep into the features, performance, and overall appeal of the Z125 Pro, which has quickly become a favorite in the world of small displacement motorcycles. Equipped with a 125cc, single-cylinder engine, the Z125 Pro offers a smooth and responsive ride, perfect for both beginners and experienced riders looking for a light, agile bike for city commuting or weekend rides. With its 4-speed transmission, the Z125 Pro offers a perfect balance of power and control, making it easy to maneuver through traffic or on tight, twisty roads. The design of the Z125 Pro is inspired by Kawasaki's larger Z-series bikes, giving it a bold, aggressive look while maintaining a compact and lightweight build. Its sharp styling, with its LED headlight, muscular fuel tank, and modern aesthetics, ensures the bike stands out wherever you go. The Z125 Pro's performance is complemented by features such as an adjustable suspension, strong braking system, and a digital instrument panel, which adds a touch of modern technology to this small motorcycle. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to enjoy the thrill of riding without the commitment or complexity of a larger bike. Join us as we explore the Z125 Pro's specs, handling, and overall riding experience. Whether you're a seasoned motorcyclist or new to riding, the Z125 Pro is a bike you don't want to miss. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and in-depth coverage of motorcycles like the Kawasaki Z125 Pro.